Hey y'all, hope everybody's having a good weekend so far. Down here making some stuff, getting some stuff ready. A bear on a laptop. So I made this little box. Pretty cool. Two pieces of laminated together for the lid. Made out some of the popper the Big Mick sent me. But it's real thin. Oops. Left a little lip in the front to lift it with. Plywood bottom. I like it. Kind of cool. These little dinky hinges off of Amazon. They're real tiny. I like them. Yeah, there's my box. Sandy's gonna put something in the bottom of it, line it. And I milled up a bunch of this stuff today. This is all pallet wood. So I'm gonna start gluing some of it together. Trying to match it up a little bit. Got a new Bible box thing I kind of want to make. Kind of like the book box thing that Amy done. Only this is to fit your Bible in. So like kind of like what Chase makes, but it could be a little smaller. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You know what to do.